So guys, today I'm gonna talk about Excalidraw. I was looking for an alternative for Miro board. Miro. Let's see it. Miro. It's like this. Okay, as you see, it has a lot of features, but also it's not a free. Somehow it's complicated. It's advanced, not complicated. We won't see complicated, but more advanced. So let's see. So guys, I wanted no, no, not. So I searched in Google. I found a lot of alternatives, but Excalidraw take my attention. And even I use it now to make this video. This is Excalidraw. The name is somehow weird and difficult in the first time. Excalidraw are doing a good job. They have about 2.3 million visitors every month. They have 2.3 visitors every month. So the traffic is 66% direct traffic. So people know Excalidraw. They visited directly the website, and the 27% from search. So people will search on Whiteboard, Excalidraw take a portion of this search. So I see here in 23 they have attention of 50. This is attention or interests over time. So the interest over time in 2023 was 50. This is not a percent, it's interest over time. So 0 is no interest, 50 is middle interest, and the 100 is a high interest. So in 23 it was 50 or 53, and here we can see that in 24 October 24 the interest is 100, so it doubled. So Excalidraw are doing good and are doing well. It's a open source website, so you can use it in your own website and modify it. They have also Excalidraw Plus, so you can sign up and have a cloud, so you can store your work on it. I like Excalidraw. I recommend it.